So what's going on, guys? It's the truck guy here. Wanted to get back to you with another video, and today we're looking at how to replace the screen on your screen door. So you may have run into this problem. That may be why you found this video. I've got a 36 by 80 screen, or a screen door for that matter. I've tried to find replacement doors. All of them say they go up to 80 inches, but they're all too small when I've gotten them home, so it's been an extremely frustrating experience. I've looked everywhere: Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, you name it. I cannot find a replacement door, and that's just actually because I want to replace the screen, so I thought that'd be easiest because they're around, $100, what have you. Could not find them anywhere, so I found a screen repair kit and ended up picking up one of these because I figured if the screen, it's kind of damaged and weathered a bit, why don't I just replace that instead of picking up a whole new screen door, because there's nothing wrong with this door. So lo and behold, we're here today to take a look at how to actually replace the screen on your screen door. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So first things first, I've got a screen door installation tool. You can pick these up separately. There's also one that comes in this kit that's a little more basic, like that. It doesn't have the removal tool, which you can do with just a screwdriver or something like that as well. I don't think there's anything else in here, but let's see, where's the spline is in here as well. So for this, you just need a couple tools. Got a couple knives here as well. So basically all you do is remove the spline, go ahead and lay in your new screen, and then relay in the spline and push it down either with your metal tool, your plastic tool. I got this one because it's a little more unique. You can remove, put in, and I just kind of like a metal and wood tool a little bit better as opposed to plastic. Personal preference. This was like $5. This was around 30. So overall, I'm doing really well on the project considering I'm not buying a new door. So let's go ahead and get the old spline out and get the screen removed, and then we'll get the new screen in and the new spline back in place. So again, this is a really helpful and easy way to go about things if you can't find a replacement door like myself. 36 by 80, I can't find them anywhere. Everything's about 77, 78. So it just doesn't fit for my doorway. Weirdest thing. I don't know why they don't offer a bigger replacement screen door. But let's go ahead and jump into the project and see how it goes. All right, so we've got the old screen out. Now let's go ahead and kind of roughly lay in our new screen. Stick that tool there just to hold that in place. As you can see, we're just right about at that 36-inch mark. So for our purposes, that's actually perfect. Kind of go lay that underneath there. And then really at this point, it's just a matter of feeding the new spline in. And you can get different gauges of spline. So this was the 0.140. I wasn't sure if this would be the right one, but I matched it up to what I had after the fact, and it was the right one. If you need a thicker gauge, you can get those. They're all kind of right there in one section at Home Depot, so go with what you need. But overall, I think this is probably the standard size. So let's get that spline started. Actually move this up. Get it right in line with the top there. Perfect. We'll go ahead and feed that in. Let's make sure I might move this in another ½ inch or so, just so I know I've got enough on the other side. That does go in pretty easy. So we'll just go ahead and make sure this is nice and tight as we kind of feed everything down here. So now here's kind of the question mark, is just trying to get this all really tight throughout. So I'm gonna hold it as tight as I can on this side while I'm pushing it in with the spline tool. So you get all the way around and then grab a little knife. Get that pushed down and then cut out your corner. You can get a little clipper tool as well. I think in this case I'm actually pretty good for the most part, kind of around the sides here, so I can go ahead and just run my blade carefully along the top here. So there's more than enough spline here. And then certainly you could also use this tool as well. It doesn't hug as well, but this is a little bit sharper. So I think there are kind of some pros and cons to each. This one's definitely going to be a little bit, I think, easier on the actual screen. Less chance for you to cut it. However, you're not going to get that kind of nice run that you get with that metal tool, which really just pulls everything in. That feels nice and tight. So now I'll go ahead and strap this on again. All right, there you go. Brand new screen door. I don't know what that was, probably around 10 minutes or so. And you can actually use your spline tool to lift up your knobs or push them down and get your new screen door in. So super useful tool here. I like this a lot. Again, it was about $5, but I think it's gonna last a lifetime, and it's definitely worth it for this job. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. The reason of this video was I can't find a 36x80 replacement screen door, so you know us, we go out of our way to just figure out how to do the job, and if they don't have it, bam, new screen door. Easy as that. So didn't know they sold these. Was happy to run into the screen replacement kits at Home Depot. They've got a whole little section set up for you. So go ahead and check it out. If you're having trouble like me, this is an easy way to get out of, number one, a major purchase, but number two, get out of a big job, because you know, this is a lot easier than goofing around trying to find a custom door or something like that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps, and we'll catch you on the next one.